centre as a dispatch manager in the Kingsfield area, and Russell's job means he needs to make quick, informed decisions, but his issue is that he has very limited access to information. At Sparta, we believe that there should be a more efficient way to coordinate resources to combat bushfire. And to do this, we need to have up-to-date information and also visibility. From the videos that we've watched and what we've listened to, some firefighters had problems knowing how many resources to allocate to certain fires when they had just one happening a few kilometres away. So they felt like they weren't doing enough of a good job in allocating their trucks. So Russell knows that he needs to know what time a fire starts because he needs to get there within 5 to 10 minutes of it starting to make sure that it can be contained. He needs to know the weather details because if it's too windy, it doesn't matter how many trucks he sends there, it's not going to help. He needs to know where his resources are, and he needs to know where they can't access, so any roadblocks or anything like that. So this is an idealistic view of what we'd like to create for Russell to help him with his job. So, sorry, I can't see this. Okay. So you should be able to hover over the little images and see that he's got 30 crew available in a certain location. And if he sees, he'll get a list of the fires that are happening. So he's got one, that's a new one at Column 9 Road, and it's unattended. So you can click on that and to see the details, and click on view routes, which we hope the application can actually provide for him depending on where his resources are, where the location of the fire is. So if he goes with option 1, it will show him the fire trucks that are available and how many crews there are. He can either select them all or just click on 2 and confirm. And now the status has gone from unattended to assigned. In the fire trucks, this is what the crew will see. So at the moment they're available, and Russell sent them the next location and the route they should take. So if they accept, Russell will see that it's now in progress. And now in the trucks, they're en route to the next location they need to get to. Now we have Melinda to explain the technical aspects.
Yeah, so we basically divided our development into 2 different applications. First is what Russell sees in his screen, 15-bit screen. And this is the view that a firefighter sees. Basically, firefighter doesn't see all the information, but Russell allocates that fire truck to nearby fires. So once Russell allocates it, it will appear in the left side of the screen. So when firefighter, I'll open the application. So this is what a firefighter sees. So once he click on his first job, he can either accept or reject, because there might be some local reasons why to reject it. Let's suppose that he accepts it, and then it will show the location and the possible route to take. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the KLM file and map the route over here, and then he can check what are the other nearby locations and optimize his route based on that. So this is just a simple application we developed for the firefighter, but unfortunately we couldn't create the screen for Russell, which carries all the information or the global view of what's happening. So this is it. Yeah.
Questions? Comment?
Explain the technology.
We wanted to use. Sorry, you want to? Yeah. Thank you.
We are trying a number of technologies before. Unfortunately, we can't get the harness to work. So, in our simplistic view, what we are planning to have is we do have a system which feeds the information from various different places. For example, from the Bureau of Meteorology. There will be a real-time or close to real-time interface updating the system if the HANA is working. So that will update the HANA. So within the HANA, we will have a system which have a smarter intelligence to process those data plus configuration to set up those, what will be the efficient way if you have this type of resources, this type of condition, what will be the best way to manage these resources. But we didn't get it working in time, so in some of the UI interface, the plans were to use Network Gateway to get those data and use the SAP UI5 for the front end.
So what are we seeing here?
This one is actually only HTML5. Instead of talking to HANA, what I have done here is I created an XML file. For example, if I remove uncomment this one, then this is like a local database that I maintain until I integrate HANA with this front end. So yeah, you have additional file over here. So, but unfortunately I couldn't integrate it because the backend wasn't available. So this is only about.
I have a question regarding the challenges that you faced. So you're saying that the HANA system was not available. What did you find the most challenging task when creating your app? So in terms of the whole process, so from the design thinking part until what you are doing just right now.
The challenge that we have now is just to have a connectivity to the HANA system from this external system.
So meaning connect your UI or to retrieve the data from the HANA
to present it into the UI.
Okay. So and you're envisioned to use SAP UI5 and to get the information directly from HANA? Is that what you want to do?
Yes.
I'm going to go through Neil.
Yeah.
Okay.